Hi, my name is Carl Taylor, and this is my video discussion for week 7 for PM692, Dr. Jose Santos Romeo's class. How will what you have learned in this course modify your project plans? In PM692, we have gained extensive new knowledge about various components to project management. We have discussed and learned about communication management, project risk management, risk assessments, and stakeholder management, and how these areas affect not only tackling and performing teamwork, but also taking into account how to deal with personal issues that could arise while trying to be successful when completing the project. These areas are not only very extensive, but also include not only effectiveness of project management, but also take a team of very qualified individuals working together to finish and complete the project while being effective and highly efficient, working together, solving problems as they arise. The skills and key takeaways will help not only project managers in the future and ultimately their team, stakeholders, and other key individuals who deal with the project and ultimately have to complete it. Remember, if nothing else, effective communication helps to not only advance the team, but it also allows the stakeholders to be organized and well equipped for the workload and the work ahead. What types of updates will you make based on what you have learned in this course based on the additional work and unexpected event? When an additional work or unexpected event happens when dealing with project management, the team reconfigures their original plan and makes a new plan to deal with the hurdles that have occurred. We have to adjust the project and the workload and time accordingly to the new parameters that are set forth and make adjustments where we see fit. These could be a number of things: budget, time, contractors, licensing, or other similarities which have a factor on the completion of the project. It is always a great and necessary thing to have a backup plan and an alternative method to solve the project dilemmas. What specific modifications are being made to your project plan? We had to take into account as a group the various topics that could go wrong if things were not completed in a timely manner. Such issues were delivery issues of the 911 system, having the protocols for warning system being insufficient, certified professionals to install the hardware not available, supply inspections which revealed defects, having problems with the community shelter locations, and the public buildings not being adequately back for backup shelters, and then the audit of the emergency clinic could also fail. These are all important things that have to be considered. If they were not any backup plans, then we were deficient in these topics, the project would be more or less a fail, and we'd not be able to complete it. What modifications do you think should be made? Do these recommendations match your team's recommendations? We have categorized and assessed these risks and threats for our team's project to be successful. Not only have they been discussed and thought about in length, but the current and possible situations have been logged and put in our risk register, and they are being watched as the project nears completion. I agree with the team on the recommendations that we have made, and we've discussed them in the meetings extensively. Whether it is the constraints of employees, budgets, or even delivery issues, project management can be a very sticky situation. It takes a proactive team when dealing with projects and their various components, which can change at a moment's notice and cause upheaval and repercussions, while trying to ultimately complete the project and finishing with a great finished product for our customers to use and to further their lives. Thank you very much. Have a nice night.